Window Installation Knoxville, Tennessee, is a crucial service for homeowners looking to enhance their property's value and energy efficiency. Our expert window contractors in Knoxville, Tennessee, specialize in providing top-notch window solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're interested in vinyl window installation in Knoxville or seeking custom windows in Knoxville, Tennessee, EcoView is here to assist you. Energy-efficient windows in Knoxville are a popular choice for those looking to reduce energy costs and improve home comfort. Our window experts in Knoxville, Tennessee, offer a wide range of energy-efficient window options that can significantly lower your utility bills. From double-hung windows in Knoxville to casement windows in Knoxville, Tennessee, we have the perfect window styles to suit your home. For those in need of replacement windows in Knoxville, our residential window services in Knoxville provide comprehensive solutions. We offer window estimates in Knoxville, Tennessee, and window quotes in Knoxville, Tennessee, to ensure you receive the best value for your investment. Our window specialists in Knoxville, Tennessee, are dedicated to delivering high-quality replacement windows in Knoxville, Tennessee, that meet your expectations. Window replacement services in Knoxville are essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your home windows. Our window replacement experts in Knoxville are skilled in addressing various issues, from window glass replacement in Knoxville to window frame installation in Knoxville. Trust our window maintenance services in Knoxville, Tennessee, to keep your windows in top condition. Bay replacement windows Knoxville is a fantastic way to add elegance and space to your home. Our window contractors in Knoxville, Tennessee, are experienced in installing bay windows that enhance both the interior and exterior of your property. Explore our window style options in Knoxville to find the perfect fit for your home. Custom windows in Knoxville, Tennessee, offer a unique opportunity to personalize your home's appearance. Our window design experts in Knoxville, Tennessee, work closely with you to create custom window solutions that reflect your style and preferences. Whether you're looking for window upgrades or new window designs in Knoxville, Tennessee, we have the expertise to bring your vision to life. Affordable replacement windows Knoxville are within reach with our competitive pricing and exceptional service. Our window options in Knoxville cater to various budgets and preferences, ensuring you find the best replacement windows in Knoxville, Tennessee, for your home. Contact our window services in Knoxville, Tennessee, today to learn more about our offerings. Window solutions in Knoxville are designed to meet the diverse needs of homeowners in the area. Our window specialists in Knoxville, Tennessee, provide comprehensive window services, from installation to maintenance. Whether you're interested in residential window services in Knoxville or need window glass replacement in Knoxville, our team is ready to assist you. Window estimates in Knoxville, Tennessee, are the first step in your replacement windows Knoxville journey. Our window quotes in Knoxville, Tennessee, provide a clear understanding of the costs involved, allowing you to make informed decisions. Trust our window experts in Knoxville, Tennessee, to guide you through every stage of the process, from selecting the right window styles to ensuring accurate measurements and transparent pricing, so you can move forward with confidence and achieve the best results for your home.